Good morning students. In this video I will continue the explanation of the chapter A Long Walk to Freedom. Now I will start explanation from this extract. The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. In this extract, Nelson Mandela want to tell the cruelty of the apartheid system that was in South Africa, how the apartheid system had affected the South Africa and the black people he is remembering. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. Mandela here want to say that to recover from the profound hurt which had been given by the apartheid system to the country and to the people of the South Africa, we will take not 1 or 2 years, but it will take many years to recover from the profound hurt that was given by the apartheid system to the South Africa and to the black people. But the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Thabos, the Walter Sisulu, the Chief Luthilius, and the Yusuf Dadus, and the Bram Fishers, Robert Sobous of our time. In this line, Nelson Mandela want to say that the brutality means here cruelty, and the oppression means tyranny, atyachar. The brutality and cruelty of the white people over the black people that had given a chance to rise the great leader of the South Africa, and Walter Sisulu, Oliver Thabos, Chief Luthilius, and Yusuf Dadus. These are the great patriots of the South Africa, and they became famous in not only in South Africa but in whole world only due to the brutality and cruelty and oppression which were imposed by the white skinned people over the black people, because these people did not tolerate the brutality and cruelty of the white skinned people. They opposed it. They started a revolution against the apartheid system, and they became famous in whole world. Men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like may never be known again. Here Mandela want to say that they were very courageous men, they were very intelligent and generous person. Such people will never come to the earth, because they were not only common people but they were the great patriots of the South Africa. Perhaps it requires such depth of oppression to create such heights of character. This is a very important line of this chapter. Here Nelson Mandela want to express that when there is oppression and cruelty, only then the great characters emerge out. And now Nelson Mandela is famous in South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi became famous in India only due to the oppression that was imposed by the Britishers in India and the oppression that was imposed by the white skinned people over the black skinned people in South Africa. Due to the oppression, brutality of the apartheid system, Nelson Mandela became famous as a great leader of South Africa, and due to the brutality and exploitation of the Britishers in India, that made famous Mahatma Gandhi as a great leader of India. So the Nelson Mandela want to say that great characters, the people of great characters, they emerge out when they face oppression and brutality. My country is rich in minerals and gems. that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamond. Nelson Mandela here says that South Africa is very rich in minerals, and there are different kind of precious and valuable minerals are found in South Africa, but he knows it well. The greatness of country will not increase due to the minerals and gems of the country, but the greatness of the country will increase only due to the people of the country. So he says that the main basis of the development was not minerals but the people, noble people of the South Africa. And here in this extract he emphasizes over the people of South Africa. He says that now South Africa is famous in the world not only due to the minerals but due to the intelligent and prudent people of South Africa. It is from these comrades means colleagues in the struggle, that I learned the meaning of courage. Time and again I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. Nelson Mandela is here talking about the great patriots who were fighting for the freedom of the black people, for the establishment of the democracy. He says that he had learned the meaning of the courage from the colleagues who were fighting with him in ANC in South Africa. He here mentioned that he had seen many men, many women taking the risk of their life only for one idea, that was the establishment of the democracy in South Africa.